found it very moving. I'm a big fan of poetry and art as a way to change perceptions.
It's beautiful to just mix the ocean and people and to think about these legacies. And to think about these legacies of resistance as a way to think about what's possible now and in the future.
It was really powerful, it was emotional, and I really feel like I was being taken on a journey.
This idea of making it transportable as well, like taking it to different cities, like I love that.
As opposed to just watching something on a single screen and going home and forgetting about it. I think this has an impactful, long-lasting effect.
It was incredibly immersive and moving, especially. Yeah, I think the project's hugely exciting to be able to reach out to people from all backgrounds and ages.
I want more. Yeah, that's how I came out. Just like, right, that's a taster, a taster of things to come, and I want more.
What was really exciting about this project is the opportunity to open this conversation with more people, not just those of us who are in the know and are interested, but those people who perhaps don't think it's a story for them or it's something that happened 100 years, 300 years ago. It doesn't really matter. It's really current, it's really important, particularly in a city like Bristol. It's really exciting.